No one heard the storm coming until one man decided the sky could be read like a warning. For centuries, weather arrived as fate. Rain fell without mercy. Storms rose without apology. A calm morning could betray sailors by nightfall, swallowing ships whole before anyone understood why. The sky was a mystery that ruled lives, crops, and empires, and it never explained itself. Then, in the mid-1800s, something quietly revolutionary began in the United Kingdom. Telegraph wires stretched across the land like metal veins, carrying messages faster than horses ever could. And along those wires came fragments of a new idea. Pressure readings from the coast, wind directions from distant ports, scattered observations stitched together in real time. Patterns began to whisper where chaos once roared. At the center of this shift was a simple, unsettling question. What if storms didn't appear randomly? What if they moved? In November 1859, a violent tempest tore through the Irish Sea, sinking ships and killing hundreds. It was impossible to ignore. In its aftermath, a naval officer named Robert Fitzroy, once captain of the HMS Beagle, was tasked with something radical: prevent the next disaster. He gathered data obsessively: barometers, wind charts, telegraph reports from across the coastline. He watched pressure fall in the west, winds shift in the south, clouds thicken like bruises on the horizon. Slowly, terrifyingly, the future began to take shape. And then came the leap. In 1861, for the first time in history, an official weather forecast was issued to the public. Not a prayer, not folklore, a forecast, published for sailors, farmers, and ordinary citizens who had never imagined tomorrow could be described before it arrived. The reaction was mixed. Some mocked it, others feared it. How dare a man claim to predict God's sky? But the forecasts worked. Storm warnings saved lives. Ships stayed in harbor. Farmers learned when to wait. For the first time, humanity wasn't just reacting to nature, it was listening, interpreting, anticipating. Yet the cost was heavy. Fitzroy carried the weight of every missed forecast, every unexpected gale. Predicting the sky meant bearing blame for its failures. And the pressure, relentless, invisible, crushed him. Still, his work endured. Today, when your phone quietly tells you rain is coming, when satellites trace storms days before landfall, you're hearing the echo of that first forecast, those early wires humming with possibility. The moment we realized the future didn't have to be silent. If this story changed how you see the sky above you, take a moment to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Your support helps this channel grow and helps more hidden stories rise out of the past and into the light.